You did it, Milo.
Bitch, don't fuck with my vibe. Matter of fact, bitch, you fucking on my high. Quit playing, why you acting all shy? You know I wanted to fuck when I told you I was a slut. Hey, shut that ass for a real one. Slick talk, got your feet to the ceiling. Say my name around your girl, now she cheesing. Niggas don't want no beef like they beat. Hey, ooh, I need a pack now. Big gas knock you out like I'm packing. Niggas mad cause they see that I'm up now. Got your bitch ass up with her face down. Hey, huh? Who is me? I'm the one your girl tryna please. I'm the one that got your girl on her knees. Her nigga mad so he grabbed her by her weave. Oh bitch, yeah I'm all up.
What's going on, guys? It's Ray. It's back with a new video. So this is more like of an update video, seeing where my trucks are at. I haven't really been posting as much. I'll start posting a lot more of the process on my single cab. You guys have seen that I took apart my whole interior, and we cut out the hole for the sunroof, and then I took off my back window because I have the tight window put on, I have the sunroof put on, and now the interior. Why I have it all taken apart is because I'm gonna be painting it all black, glossy black, the whole interior. And for the outside, I have the hood and grill HD. I am in the process of getting the front bumper. I'm not sure if I am gonna get it or not. I'm still iffy about it because it is ready for paint already. Almost ready for paint. It needs a sand down and primer, and then I should be ready for paint. But other than that, yeah. So I'm still iffy I should get it or not, just because that is a lot of money to drop for a bumper. And not only that, I still got to try to put it on, make it fit, make sure everything aligns right. Maybe I'll get it, maybe not. I'm not sure yet. Other than that, yeah, I'll show you guys it right now, where it's at, where it sits, and what wheels I have on it right now. I'll tell you some of the plans I have for it. They're 100% sure of the plans, if they're actually going to happen or not. So they're like, it's a 50-50 chance that I'll do it, and maybe I'll not. And it goes for the OBS as well. I am going to be changing it up after my single cab comes out, fully painted and ready. I have this one the same still. Take a few pics, video, whatever it is, and then after that, the OBS will be going into the process of changing up again. Okay guys, this is the single cab right now, how it looks. I do have my GMC replicas up here, and then the SS wheels in the back. This is the HD grille. Put on the HD hood. I do have this little clip up here. I just don't have it on. That's the stock bumper. And then you guys see the inside, the tight window here. The sunroof put on. I have everything taken apart because I'm gonna be painting everything. Everything's like mostly primered already. I will be taking off the carpet to wash it, clean it, and as you see right there, these are the side pieces to the Crespo wing, because I did end up buying a Crespo wing right here. Crespo wing, the previous owner did he wrapped it. I'm gonna be taking off the wrap though, because I'm gonna be painting it, so I don't need that. I did take off the rear bumper as well. I'm gonna be putting on the 2015 rear bumper. I will be lowering it all the way around. Not sure how low yet, but I will be lowering it. What else? Of course, the interior is gonna get done. As in done, I mean like painting and everything. I do have the seats. The seats are what is that color? Like beige. I will be either buying black seats, or I don't know if I'm gonna get them done. I'm most likely gonna buy some black seats. I was gonna maybe try to find some leather seats that are black, but we'll see. And then this is the truck that I will be painting. This is my client's truck. Like I said, I got the bumper right here, the hood, and the tailgate. And then I got this 2015 bumper that I just sprayed not too long ago, maybe like 2 days ago. This is for my brother's truck. I painted for his. He got his Ibrox right here, and then my LTZs, which I did sell to the blue truck, which is I post a picture right here. My cousin now has them, so he just has to come and pick them up. I gotta take off the tires though, the 3 tires right here, and yeah, and there's my truck. I'm gonna wash it real quick, and then oh yeah, so these wheels were on my single cap, but I took them off and put them on this one. I like how it looks now, but I think I'm gonna go different for this truck. I'm gonna be changing the paint. I think I'm gonna change my hood. I think I'm gonna change my wing as well. I'm gonna be selling this bed as well. And then yeah, I'm not sure if I'm gonna go with the 2015 rear bumper though. Maybe not. I don't know yet. And I'm gonna be lowering it as well. In the front, it's stock. In the back, it only has a 6. I'm thinking of going maybe 4 inches up in front, and then maybe 8 in the back. Yeah, 8. So yeah, so this truck will be getting a home makeover done. You guys let me know what you guys think down in the comment section what I should do to it. The interior on this truck, so I'm gonna be painting everything that's red. I'm gonna be painting it the same color as the truck when I paint it. I think I'm gonna switch out my carpet. Carpet is that color, that grayish color. I'm gonna be changing it to black, just like my headliner. Okay guys, we just got done washing the truck. I did hand wax it. So now I'm gonna just take it out, put some tire shine, and show you guys out in the sun. This is probably gonna be the last month me having this truck like this. I think I'm gonna end up selling the bed, maybe the hood, and then yeah, then I'm gonna switch out the suspension. I'm gonna go lower in the front, lower in the back. I'm gonna get another bed. I think I'm gonna go Okay guys, we're back. I already showed you smooches, you guys seen. I do like the red and all, but it got to go. So I'm gonna be painting it a different color. I do have a color in mind already. The color no one has in Tucson, at least I don't think, not in the truck. So I'm gonna go with that color. And then I do have my brother's truck, the one I painted teal, probably like two or 3 videos ago. I have that one right here. My brother should be getting here pretty soon. I'll show you guys that one when he gets here. And then so right now I'm gonna actually go ahead and primer the hood and the tailgate. Yeah, the hood and tailgate for the client's truck. I'm gonna go ahead and primer that real quick until my dad gets here. My dad's gonna finish off the hood. I'm gonna let him block that one, and then the tailgate should be done. And then
I try me too. Pull up with a couple like my name Lou. Doing so much, feel like deja vu. Wrist stay wet, ain't nothing new. House on the hills, panoramic on the view. Pull up with a couple like my name Lou. Doing so
probably like 2 days, and right now I'm gonna flip the client truck around, and I'll show you guys a bit. I did primer the hood. My dad worked on the hood, got it done. He blocked the tailgate as well. I blocked it once, and then he blocked it again, just to make sure none of the actual sanding, like the lines, are there no more. So he did that. And then he primered them, primered the grill as well, and now the truck is actually ready for paint. I'm gonna just switch it around because I need the sun to hit the passenger side, so I'm able to see if there's any kind of dents on that side still or not.
much, feel like deja vu. I'm I'ma need a check if I go out. Mortgage on my neck, gotta show out. She talk too much, keep the hoe out. Diamonds still shine when the lights out. Spend a nice piece on these frames. You only drop the top when it's nice out.
Okay guys, I do have the single cab. I do have the single cab already. Sunroof is on, the time window's on. I did put on the 26s all the way around. There are two sets. The front ones are the Texas editions and the back ones are the GMC replicas. Like I said earlier in the video, I believe the Texas editions are leaving. I'm gonna go take off the tires. Probably later on this week. Just take off 2 of them because my cousin's gonna need 1 of them with the tire on just so he could test fit it. He's gonna make them fit on the blue truck. The way it dropped, like he doesn't want to lift it up or anything. He's gonna leave it dropped and fit the 26s on it. After that, so this truck's done. I'm gonna work on it. I'm gonna just work on where I had to put Bondo on it to make sure it's straight and not wavy or nothing like that. After that should be done. But this will be the end of the video. I'll show you guys a little clip of the truck right now.
Rock grooves and make moves. The F a secret, why not? Why blow up?